Did you know that in some places, a tilted building or one with a sinking foundation can actually be repaired without completely tearing it down? The process involves using hydraulic jacks to lift the part of the structure that's out of alignment. Workers first break open part of the wall or floor using jackhammers so they can install reinforced steel bars as support. After that, they slowly lift the sinking section of the building with the hydraulic jacks. With this method, the building can be restored to its level and solid state without the need for a full reconstruction.